So I don't know, Ovi might have been working on this, so if you have, dude, I appreciate you. But for the first time, folks, when I was putting that key back in, look at this. The lights light up again. Ever since the new batteries, this is the very, very first time. Fast pump is running, that's a good sign. I believe we got lights on in the front. New headlights are going, that's epic sign. I wonder if she'll fire up cab lights. I know it's early, guys, I hate to do this, but let's try it real quick. Nope, she died, but we're closer, ain't we? Closer. Alright guys, it is about 5 o'clock in the morning here at the shop, so excuse me, you guys are the first people I've talked to today, so I'm getting my bearings going, so bear with me there. But one thing real quick, got that enthusiast keychain tag for the Denali race truck. You know, we got our Boost Auto key here, the upgraded key fob. Gonna tie that on there, look real nice there. Maybe win us a camper too, get a whole setup going. That would be freaking sweet. That's why I entered the giveaways. I know they're kind of funny, but for 10 bucks for the chance to win a freaking dually Duramax with the camper setup, that would be crazy to go to events with. So that's the first thing. The second thing is I love supporting other YouTubers, clearly trying to grow the channel, trying to make this more of a full-time thing. So I know what it's like to be hustling, to be hungry, and I just love supporting other people that share that dream. So with that being said, guys, I did listen to Dirty Max Jack's new video. He hasn't uploaded in months, and he just put a new thing on there, and it was so relatable in terms of prioritizing things in life, being family, faith, etc., and freaking awesome. Go check that out. That's all I can say. I can't say it any better than he said it, and it's so relatable. This is a part-time hobby for me as well, but with your guys' support, who knows what it could be. So thank you all. Check out that video, but let's keep going here today. And as you can see, we got both trucks out here this morning looking great. Look at how clean this setup is now with the Boost Auto key and the enthusiast tag. Just super epic here on the race truck. So we can go ahead and open this up, put this back in. Ovi's been working in here trying to get that module going for us. We do think it is, I believe it's that electronic brake control module. The thing about that module is we cannot find that sucker anywhere. It is back ordered or discontinued from GM, depending who you talk to. I'm not sure, but I do know this. I cannot find it anywhere on any website. So if you guys have any leads on where we might be able to get this specific part number, please let me know. I talked to different GMs. I was calling all around the country, Connecticut, Texas, Montana, Iowa, just everywhere, and I kept getting the same thing. Oh, there's no more left. They're all out. eBay's your best option. So I'm just super confused on this. Ovi's going to keep working with the one we got, try to get it going, but I don't know. I'm freaked out, but let me know, guys, if you know anything about this module. How important is it? What does it control? Is there a way around it? I don't know what we do. Maybe there's a replacement part number, an aftermarket one, etc. I need help. I need your guys' help. Let me know in the comments, please. Thank you. Because we need this beauty running, that's why. We got to get this sucker running, and if that's a big piece of the puzzle, one little module holding us up, guys, really? Let's go, boys.